The deadliest Ebola outbreak in history shows no signs of slowing.
We have received report on 4,784 cases and more than 2,400 deaths.
With Ebola cases and deaths increasing exponentially, the World Health Organization says the hardest hit West African countries, Guinea, Liberia and Sierra Leone, are overwhelmed by the number of new patients.
Today, there is not one single bed available for the treatment of an Ebola patient in the entire country in Liberia.
Speaking to reporters in Geneva, the head of the WHO made another urgent plea for more international support. A plea that's not going unheard. Just this week, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation announced it will donate $50 million to help fight the Ebola outbreak. But Dr. Chan says while money and materials are important, they can't stop the spread of the virus.
The thing we need most of all is people, healthcare workers.
To that end, Cuba's health minister announced his country is sending 165 healthcare workers to West Africa, the largest contingent of foreign doctors and nurses committed so far. WHO officials are hoping other countries will follow, saying they need another 500 or 600 doctors to deal with the still growing number of Ebola patients. Aisha Sasay, CNN, Atlanta.
Sad news to report. An American football star has been